Okay, so for this quick project, you will need some wig clips, a pair of scissors, measuring tape, the hair, and of course, a sewing thread and a needle. So I'm going to be demonstrating on my mannequin head using the measuring tape. I'm going to be measuring, but I just want to show you guys here. I don't want to take the hair completely out to the perimeter. You want to start like an inch in. That way when you do the clip-ins, the tracks don't show. Same thing with the nape of the hair. You want to go like an inch in. You don't want to take it extremely to the ends of the hair. So make sure when you're using the measuring tape, you're measuring right where you see me pointing. So as you can see here, the track turns out to be around 5.5 inches. So that's exactly where I'm going to cut my wefts. And this is the same exact procedure that you're going to use throughout the whole entire head. So as an example, just, like 3 rows up, you can see this one came out to like 10 inches. So, just continue it up and up and up. Now I'm going to make sure that my wefts are double tracked just to make sure that the hair comes out nice and thick. Then you want to go ahead and start sewing. I am not taking the needle into the weft, I'm going underneath the weft. And of course, you want to make sure you're adding a knot. This makes it nice and neat because, you don't want this bulky. And we don't need to be going through the weft because this is not an actual sew-in. So as you guys can see here, I'm just going to speed it up. And you guys can just go ahead and watch. Okay, so pretty ordinary. This is the wig clip. You want to make sure that you have it opened up because it's very easy to get this sewed on backwards. So as you can see here, you don't want it that way. Make sure that it's the right way so that it can easily clamp into the hair. Then you want to make sure that it's nice and straight and you can go ahead and start sewing. Putting it through the first hole, and this time you are going through the weft. Before we were going underneath it, this time we're going through it. So to get this more secure, instead of going through the holes at the top, you want to take it through the actual wig clip itself. This is going to help to keep it nice and sturdy so it will not go anywhere. Okay, so when you're actually sewing the wig clips, the only time you want to be knotting it is when you reach the end. When you're complete, this is how it should look.